So okay, here is the setup. I just connect it here, show you. Hang on, it comes right. I have a earth in, so it's showing here. If bypass, it's turned off. So I have the earth in. Now what I have to do, I have to connect this with my car. Also show you what is showing right now here. Right, 50 hertz to 45 volt, right? Okay, let me connect. Okay, it's connected but off. It's connected. Now I just, it's charging. Now you can see. .76 kilowatt, 11.6, power factor 0.99, say 1 kilowatt, 0.1 unit, 50 hertz. So let's check on the car side. It's charging perfectly. So yes, so that's the thing.